The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. These words by Marcus Aurelius remind us that life is not a straight line to success. It is a winding road, filled with unexpected detours and roadblocks. Obstacles, challenges, and setbacks are inevitable parts of the human experience. They test our resolve, push us beyond our comfort zones, and reveal our true potential. Rather than viewing obstacles as insurmountable barriers, we must learn to see them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge we face, every failure we encounter presents a chance to learn, adapt, and become stronger. By embracing the obstacles in our path, we unlock our inner strength and pave the way for personal transformation. It is in the face of adversity that we discover our resilience, our creativity, and our unwavering determination. The obstacles we overcome become stepping stones on our journey of personal growth. Consider the story of Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Jordan's journey to greatness was not without its setbacks. He was cut from his high school varsity basketball team, a crushing blow to his confidence at the time. However, instead of succumbing to disappointment, Jordan used this rejection as fuel to work harder. He practiced tirelessly, determined to prove his doubters wrong. This experience instilled in him an unyielding work ethic and a hunger for success that would define his legendary career. Jordan's story is a powerful reminder that setbacks can be catalysts for extraordinary growth. When we refuse to give up in the face of adversity, we tap into a wellspring of inner strength and determination that propels us forward. Oprah Winfrey's rise to media mogul is another inspiring example of overcoming adversity. Winfrey endured a challenging childhood marked by poverty and abuse. However, she found solace and empowerment through education and communication. Winfrey's early struggles instilled in her a deep empathy and a passion for using her voice to uplift others. She rose above her circumstances, becoming a successful news anchor before launching her own talk show, which quickly became a cultural phenomenon. Winfrey's journey exemplifies the transformative power of embracing challenges. By confronting and overcoming adversity, she not only achieved remarkable success, but also used her platform to inspire millions around the world. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. These words by Nelson Mandela remind us that life's challenges are not meant to break us but to build us. They are opportunities to develop our character, strengthen our resolve, and discover our true potential. By embracing the struggle, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Remember, it is not the absence of obstacles, but our attitude towards them that determines our success. Let us face our challenges with courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in our ability to overcome. For it is in the crucible of adversity that true growth and transformation occur.